Very welcome to the YouTube channel All at One and All at One, ffbmd, and you are familiar with this area. You see, farmers have harvested their field using latest instruments, farming instruments based on latest AI technology, and the fields are now vacant, and they will grow new crops in these fields, and someone is preparing for this field for new crops. And again I am Einstein Jackson, not Michael Jackson, from Germany. And the next topic on research methodology is normal and revolutionary researches. So let's know about the normal and revolutionary researches. So the basic and applied researches are generally of two kinds: normal research and revolutionary research. In any particular field, normal research is performed in accordance with a set of rules, concepts, procedures, and procedure called a paradigm, which is well accepted by the scientists working in that field. Normal research is, here you see farmer of this area are taking their crops to their home. They use latest AI technology for their growing their crops and harvesting their crops. So come to the next point. And what is we are going to talk about? And we are discussing about normal and revolutionary researches. Normal research is something like puzzle solving, interesting, even beautiful solutions are found, but the rules are remain same. In this normal research, sometimes unexpected novel results and discoveries are realized which are inconsistent with the existing paradigm. Among the scientists, a tense situation then ensues, which increases in intensity until a scientific revolution is reached. This is marked by a paradigm shift, and a new paradigm emerges under which normal scientific activity can be resumed. Now the next topic I am going to discuss is quantitative and qualitative method. So let's know about this. What is quantitative and qualitative method? The basic and applied researches can be quantitative or qualitative, or even both. Quantitative research is based on measurement of quantity or amount. Here a process is expressed or described in terms of one or more quantities. The result of this research is essentially a number or a set of numbers. Some of the characteristics of qualitative research or methods are: it is an iterative process whereby evidence is evaluated. It is numerical, non-descriptive, applies statistics or mathematics, and uses numbers. The results are often presented in tables and graphs. It is conclusive. It investigates the what, where, and when of decision making. So these are the some important points related to qualitative research method. Here we know that statistics is most widely used branch of mathematics in quantitative research. It finds application not only in physical sciences but also in economics, social science, and biology. Quantitative research using statistical methods often begins with the collection of data based on theory or hypothesis or experiment, followed by the application of descriptive or inferential statistical method. So, qualitative research is concerned with qualitative phenomena involving quality. Some of the important characteristics of qualitative research are: its aim is to get the meaning, feeling, and describe the situation. It is non-numerical, descriptive, applies reasoning, and uses words. Qualitative data cannot be graphed. It is exploratory. It investigates the why and how of decision making. We measure and weigh things in the study of substance or a structure. We can measure or weigh patterns. We cannot measure or weigh patterns, but to study patterns, we must map a configuration of relationship. That is, a structure involves quantities, whereas pattern involves qualities. If one wishes to investigate why certain data are random, then it is a qualitative research. If the aim is to study how random the data is, what is the mean, variance, and distribution function, then it becomes quantitative. Explaining how digestion of food takes place in our body is a qualitative description. It does not involve any numbers or data and quantities. The detection of particular compound is a qualitative analysis. This can be done by carrying out physical or chemical tests. Determination of exact amount of particular compound present in a volume is essentially quantitative analysis. This can be done by the volumetric, gravimetric, and colorimetric methods or instrumental method. Experimental and simulation studies are generally quantitative research. In fact, qualitative methods can be used to understand the meaning of numbers obtained by quantitative methods. So, with this, I like to end this topic here. And in the next section, I would discuss about other types of research.